Hello guys, I got 2013 Nissan Sentra. I got a code P17F0. It's a little bit uphill, 75,000 miles. This is like a little bit uphill, but I lose power. That code is a transmission code. That's talk about the CVT. See, like I was a slow down and I can't be able. It's jerking. You see the RPM? Let me show you real quick. The RPM go up and down. It won't go. Now go down by itself. You see how fluctuating up and down? Yes. There's no check engine light on, but I code scanned it and I found a transmission code. It says P17F0. Something CVT transmission, something code. My scanner didn't show me exactly the code. It says please refer service manual. When I put it on, type in Google, I found CVT transmission or circuit open or anything. But there is some, when I deep searching, I found there is like dealer recall or something about TSCB, about reprogram the transmission or calibrating some data or software, stuff like that. So this is my test drive. I'm gonna send it to the dealership. I hope it's not a transmission. It's gonna be expensive. This Nissan CVTs, I heard they made in China. They are kind of cheap. So I'm gonna deep research. I will show you what I found.